Not everything you see online will work for you, so you have natural hair. So I washed my hair last night and took down my cornrows. I detangled my hair, washed my hair, conditioned it, put in leave-in, put it in twist. This is the first time I'm able to do all of that within 4 hours because these cornrows were dry. They were dry. I don't know what happened. I've only had them for 1 week and a few days. They were so dry and I was moisturizing my hair. I'm thinking of blow drying, stretching my hair with my blow dryer. I don't know, if I open the back and it's not stretched, I think I'll do that because I want to make my life easier. If I'm making mini braids, I'll just start now. No need for the yada yada yada. So I've done the first third of my hair, like 1/3. My mom was insisting that I should draw lines, like perfect parts.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Only when I get to the front, I only care about the front. The back is none of my business. So I'm done. This is the final results. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I have learned my lesson. I can't make mini twists with my hair in its shrunken state. It's going to lock up like mad. And I don't want that. The more your hair grows, the more it shrinks. Not everything you see online will work for you, so you have natural hair. So I cut out a huge chunk of the previous clip because it was so cringe. My hair is about 10 days old. Yeah, it should be 10 days. I made this on Thursday. So yeah, it's 10 days. It survived over a week, which is a good sign. But see the way my hair is looking now. It's not bad, but it's not giving what it was giving. My hair didn't shrink the way I expected it to shrink. It didn't shrink too much, and I don't mind shrinkage. But at the same time, like whenever I make mini twists and my hair shrinks, I look like I'm in the budding phase of my loc journey. I start night shifts in 2 days, and they're going to start asking me questions. They're going to be wondering if I'm mentally stable. I'm not actually, but my plan was to take them out on my first night off. Like once I come back from my night shifts in the morning, I'll take them out, maybe wash them after I sleep for hours. But now I give up. I can't. I'm tying my hair back for a few days now, and it's mounting a lot of tension. When I'm walking, I don't need that kind of tension on my hair, so I'm just going to take it out. So I'm probably going to put it in 2 puffs or a high puff. I don't know. I used leave-in conditioner, then I used heat protectant spray. Please use heat protection if you're using the highest heat setting. Doesn't matter how strong the hair is. My hair is strong, it can withstand it, but honestly, I care about the health of my hair right now. I'm going to be 2 years post relaxer 3 days from now. So yeah, I need to stop my bad habits. Then I used oil to seal my ends. I used hair butter to seal in the moisture, because when you blow dry your hair, you're losing moisture. I am going to take this down. It was nice doing it. Also, another observation, my parts lasted longer because I started with braids at the roots. That's another thing. So maybe when my hair is longer, I'll give it another shot. I always say this with every hairstyle. When my hair is longer, my hair is literally past 10 inches. It's, I don't know, it's past my collarbone. I know it's in a twist, so it can't really extend as much, but it's usually around here. So yeah, see you in my next video, if I ever make a next video.